In the name of God, and I wanted to introduce an innovation which is named detection and prevention of carbon monoxide exposure in different places, which is invented by Petron Furughishad and Mohammad Hadi Rahbari and presented in Malaysia Technology Expo 2021 as a virtual event. The category of this innovation is electronic, and to make you more familiar with this innovation, I give you an abstract. Insect pollinators are essential for terrestrial ecosystems and many agricultural and farming jobs. Bees are important not only for honey production but also for the environmental balance because they are essential for pollinating the flowers of many crops. A beehive is a place where bees live with their queen and collect and accumulate honey inside the hive. Hives are usually divided into 4 types: flower hives, tree hives, tin hives, and plastic hives. Beehives sometimes have various problems such as cold, heat, animal attack, and or attack by carnivorous bees, and many beekeepers take various measures to prevent these problems. Beehives monitoring allows us to monitor different parameters such as the temperature and humidity levels inside the beehives, which can generate important information. For example, this data can inform us on whether the beehives are swarming based on the temperature, whether any action is required from beekeeper, whether the bees are affected by any disease, or even whether the hives are moving. Therefore, in this invention, a light, especially white, heat-insulating roof has been installed to repel light and heat, and also a filter platform has been prepared for bees in front of the hive entrance door. In this case, due to the size of the filter inlets, only bees can enter and exit, and the larger insects such as date bees cannot enter it, and also prevent dust and rain from entering the hive. A different platform is also for bees to land and enters the hive more easily, and it should be noted that this filter platform and roof are also washable and easy to install. Concurrently, the innovative features can be a low cost and reliable beehive monitoring system, ease of construction, and it can be used in all hives, and it's washable. And the most important point is that it is able to sanitize bees when they are enter to beehive or exit of it, and also the surrounding of hives by using UV ray as a sanitizer. Thanks to pay attention to my description, and special thanks to executive and officials of this expo.